Hello, once again, this is www.learnstudysmart.com, and today I'm going to show you the welder and welding operator qualification. Okay, this is as per ASME section 9 and ASME B31.3. Okay, now some examples here are this one. For the welding and welding operator qualification, you must have the welding process. Example, this is gas tungsten arc welding, the material grade, American Society of uh, Testing and Material, A33, grade 6, that is a material grade. This is a low temperature carbon steel, LTCS. So the diameter in millimeter is 21.3 and the thickness THK in millimeter 3.73 and the length is 150 millimeter plus 150, so it's equivalent to 300. Okay, the quantity of test coupon or TC is 5 and the test position, test POS is position 6G or 45 degrees. Then the type of examination will be visual test or VT plus the RT or the radiographic testing. So after that, we go to the diameter qualified. Okay, diameter qualified in millimeter is, it should be greater than or equal to 21.3 millimeter, and the thickness qualified, okay, in millimeter should be less than or equal to 7.46. This is the qualified welder qualification. The thickness qualified should be less than or equal to 7.46 millimeter. Then you must check the WPS applicable. Okay, example is XXXP151. Just an example. Okay, another example here is the welding process gas metal arc welding STT. STT means surface tension transfer. Okay, STT. Okay, and the material grade is the same as in JITA, which is A333 grade 6 or the low temperature carbon steel. Okay, then the diameter in millimeter is greater than or equal to 273 millimeter, and the thickness is in millimeter greater than or equal to 19.05. Then the length should be greater than or equal to D plus D. Okay, if the D is 273, so 273 plus 273. Okay, then the quantity, that is the length. Okay, then we proceed to the quantity of test coupon. Okay, only one with the test position of 5G. 5G means the pipe axis is horizontal, then the welding position is it could be upward progress or downward progress, depends on the qualification. Okay, then the type of examination will be visual test plus the RT, radiographic testing, plus the bend test. Okay, depends on the welding process that you are encounter. Okay, next will be the diameter qualified. It should be greater than or equal to 73 millimeter. Then the thickness qualified should be less than or equal to 12 millimeter. Then the example of WPS applicable is XXX P-205. Okay, that's it guys. See you in the next training.